Let them speak. Review hours 1 to 10. Please repeat or answer. What is he taking out of the tank? Doesn't he need to be careful? Will he be selling it to you? Did you have him weigh it? Will it be worth buying that much? Are you interested in having it for dinner? Has he started cutting off the tail first? Doesn't that tend to have the most meat? Does he plan on cutting that up later? Does he prefer using a scissors? All he's doing is trying to get the meat out. Has he got to cut both sides? Are you thinking of serving that to your friends? Does he keep washing the knife? Did he almost cut his finger? Is he about to take the meat out now? Did you decide to buy the whole thing? Did you get him to take it out of the shell? There is no point keeping the hard shell. Did he finish cutting it off? Is he continuing to cut more? Is he in the middle of cleaning it up? Will it be all right to leave it there a while? Did he just begin cutting it in half? Is he ready to cut it up into small pieces? Will you have him put it back in the shell? Are you going to be bringing it home like that? Is it worth putting those on the ice? Do you like eating that green stuff? You might as well try some. Did you get to dip it in soy sauce first? Are you able to eat those things? He had better push down hard. Are you able to hear it cracking? Is he continuing to chop it with the knife? You can't help but do it that way. Is he joking with you? Will you get the opportunity to eat that too? What is he going to be doing with those eggs? Do you hear the chefs talking to each other? Would you rather eat a different fish soup? Are you interested in having that? How much will he charge to have that? Are you set to try tasting it? Is he in the middle of making a sauce? Did he happen to cut those vegetables earlier? Did he decide to boil the tail? Does that help the meat to come out easy? Will you have the chance to eat that too? Has he begun adding the vegetables? Will he have to cook that long? Did you see him add that? Does it help to flavor it? Is he thinking about adding the noodles now? Was he trying to get all the noodles? All he does is keep adding some liquid. Shouldn't he turn the heat down a little? Do you want to have that? There's no use just putting it on a plate. Would he prefer putting it in the lobster shell? Don't you feel like having that next? Will you have your mom make it for you? Does he like adding that to the top? Have you had that before? Are you thinking of having some wine with it? Are you able to use chopsticks like that? Let's go out together and have some.